Hi, first graders. This week you've been learning about the Amazon rainforest. To go along with that, I've assigned you a book in Raz Kids called Birds of the Amazon Rainforest. So as you're completing your 40 minutes of Raz Kids time this week, this is one of the books that you'll be doing an assignment on. Watch my screen and I'll show you how to find this book quickly. Once you log in to Raz Kids with your username and password, you will click on My Assignment. And one of the first books you will see here is called Birds of the Amazon Rainforest. Now, right now, I can tell that the student hasn't completed any assignment on this book because there aren't any check marks here. There are two things that you're going to be doing for this book. First of all, you will listen to it. So when you are ready to listen, you will click on the headphones.
Birds of the Amazon rainforest. A dazzling bird hops along a branch as it looks for insects to eat. The bird looks like a rainbow with wings. A red, blue, and yellow bird lives in the rainforest. Its sharp, hooked beak can crack open nuts. Rah, rah, it shouts as it zooms through the trees.
So a new fact I'm learning here, if I go back to this page, is that a scarlet macaw is a type of bird that lives in the Amazon rainforest. So this is a fact I can even write down on my rainforest KWL chart. So after you listen to the entire text and you get a check mark here on the headphones, then it's going to be your turn to read this text. So you will now click on Read. And when you are ready to read this book, you are going to click on the microphone at the top. It's a red button. So you're going to click on it. Now, right now, you can see that the timer is not moving. So if the timer is not moving, then you are not recording. So you're going to click this little button right next to the microphone. It's a red button. And you'll see the word record pop up. So watch as I do that. Birds of the Amazon rainforest. A dazzling bird hops along a branch as it looks for insects to eat. The bird looks like a rainbow with wings. And you'll just continue to turn the page and read. And you know you're still recording because the number here is increasing. You are increasing the time that you're recording. After you have read the text to me, you will hit stop the recording. Let me show you what that button looks like. At the top right here, if you hover over this button, you see the word stop recording appear. You're going to click that. And when you are done, it will let me know that you are all finished reading the book to me. Now, if you want to hear what it sounds like, you can click play. Birds of the Amazon rainforest. A dazzling bird hops along a branch as it looks for insects to eat. The bird looks like a rainbow with wings. And you'll just continue to turn the page and read. So you have the idea there. After you record yourself reading the book, it will be sent to me. You won't need to do anything. So, friends, just to recap, I want to go back and show you what you need to do. You will make sure that you have a check mark here where it says listen and here where it says read. Now, this person doesn't have a check mark either place right now, so they are not finished. There's a little yellow marker here which indicates they have started, but they have not finished yet. Okay? So, friends, you're going to listen to and read the text, Birds of the Amazon Rainforest. I encourage you to soak in all the knowledge you can about the rainforest and add cool facts that you are learning during this reading onto your rainforest KWL chart. That's it, friends. Thank you.